Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to this little SKODA. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. It'll probably show up at the bottom as MIB BT. Yeah, it has done, but we'll just make sure. Onto phone, and then it's got find telephone here. Please find MIB BT on the mobile phone. So it's also picking up an Audi that's just gone past. So we want find telephone. It's searching for telephone, searching for device. Okay, it's found, took its time. Having said that, it's taken its time, but I've already had my phone connected to this and I've just deleted it. So I've not switched my phone off, I've not switched the car off, so it's probably struggling. But anyway, so I'll click on Barry's phone there. Here we go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair 701-774, 701-774, pair, and yes. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so I won't be using the car again. In fact, when I take it back in this condition, I'll be lucky to be alive after Land sees it. So that's it, the phone's connected.